Are you looking to give your bathroom a fresh look? Transforming this often overlooked space can be simple. Bold color choices can make a significant difference without the need for a full remodel. A splash of color can completely change the atmosphere. Consider starting with striking colors like cherry red or soft peach. Cherry red creates a vibrant statement while soft peach introduces warmth. Jewel tones like emerald green add luxury and depth to the room. For a soft, romantic touch, try orchid pink tiles that balance with intricate patterns. Colors like mocha or warm whites keep things neutral yet sophisticated. Don't shy away from daring options like mustard yellow or rich plum. These colors can create drama, ensuring your bathroom stands out. Think about light hues like mint green or seafoam green for a calming environment. Focus on colors that reflect your personal style. Consider darker hues like navy blue or black for a moody effect. Whether you opt for bold and vibrant or soft and serene, every color choice can enhance your space. Finally, always choose colors that complement your fixtures and tiles. When done thoughtfully, each hue can tell a story, making your bathroom a special retreat. Embrace creativity and let color shine in your bathroom. What will you choose to brighten your space? Upgrade your bathroom and enjoy every moment spent there. Explore these bathroom color ideas today.